Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. So guys, I hope you liked my new series. These are the YouTube Creator Academy answers. So guys, let's head on to the second course today. So yesterday I went through the second course, but it didn't have the course exam. So let me just show you again, and let's head on to the third one with today's video. YouTube Creator Academy, right? Let's head on there, and the first one again, and we'll have to head on to the catalog. We are already on the catalog now, and we had finished this one, activate your non-profit on YouTube, and asset optimization for revenue. This is the second course of 2 hours and 5 lessons. Let me just open that, and I went through the course, but it didn't have an exam over here, as you can, but you had it in the activate your non-profit. So I'll just go back and let's start the brand deals. I think this is the hardest one for me because I didn't went through it clearly. Let's just check out the answers for this, and let me just directly take the course exam over here, and I have answered all these, and let me just submit it in front of you. Brand deals are usually mutually beneficial. Is it true or false? It's true, I guess. I am just guessing the answers, I don't know the exact ones. True. Next one is smaller niche channels often have a easier time finding brands to partner with because there are fewer channels in the space. They have a dedicated audience who loves their stuff. There may be less competition, all of the above. And the next, how can you make it easy for your audience to support branded content on your channel? Partner with favorite brand, your audience will be sure to like it. Janita has a surf video channel and has partnered with several brands. Sarah has a cooking channel and is looking for information about brand deals. Is it a good idea for Sarah to reach out to Janita about her experience with partnering with brands, even though her channel is not about surf videos? Yes, any insights from others in their network can be useful. Which of the following is true about brand integrations? Brand integration should usually be seamless. The next one, which pricing model pays you a set of amount of money per view of your video? Guys, I guess flat rate or cost per video. Let me just take this one. What should you research about a brand before reaching out to them or agreeing to a partnership? Other channels they have worked with, what their brand values are, products and services they offer. I guess all of the above. Next, what should you avoid doing when communicating to a brand that you are willing to go above and beyond for a partnership? Send the contact at the brand a holiday gift. What should you ask from the brand before creating a pitch? What their audience demographics and expectations are, what talking points you should hit, and anything you should avoid, what content they will give you for free, all of the above, I guess. Next, what type of creator should consider affiliate link as their main source of brand partnerships? So guys, I think I thought of gaming vertical, but now let's just take this one, creators with 1000 subscribers. What does YouTube require you to do if your videos contain branded content? I too don't know this, I'm just guessing this out. Tick the content declaration box. I don't know where the content declaration box exists. Next, what details do brands care about when it comes to branded content placement? How long the brand integration will be? When the brand integration will be? What other topics will be discussed in your video? I think all of the above. And the next, the video deadline should be a negotiation between the brand and your timeline. False. What might just a second, I didn't click it properly. Okay, what might a brand want to know about the video after you have posted it? What comments are related to the brand? How many views the video received? Where you posted it, and how those posts performed? All of the above. And the last one, what should you do if things are not going as expected and your deadline needs to be moved? Let the brand know as soon as possible. Guys, this answer is 100% correct because I had seen this in the video of the course exam over here. Now let me just hit submit and check out. Hope I pass. Good try. Shit, man. you scored 67%, but you need 75% to pass. You can retake the quiz as many times as you like. Guys, I don't want to retake the quiz as the video will be long, so I hope you guys can find out a few answers and finish the exam. I just tried it because this was the hardest course for me. Brand deals, I couldn't go through all the videos and information that was given to me by YouTube Creator Academy. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel Unboxer TV, where tech is exposed. That's it guys, meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.